In this clip, we will see how to work with the background coloring in Livresq. The background color of a resource can be chosen from the background color field. In the Properties panel, on the right side of the resource edit screen, color selection can be done in 3 ways. With the help of predefined colors, selecting a shade and tone from the panels with continuous color variation, or using the hex code of the desired color. Change the background color is seen in preview mode. For a quiz type resource, the color change affects the entire resource. For the rest of the resources, for example, an image resource, the change in color only affects the uncovered resource area and the window in which it appears. When working in the section, you can select the color for a resource. Cell, row, or entire section. You can select even more items using the Ctrl or Shift key. When selecting a higher structure, the change in the color of the background is applied to all elements inside the structure. Elements whose backgrounds were previously colored, retain their original color when the upper structure is colored. As with the quiz resource, changing the background color of a cell containing text affects the entire cell. The difference being that the new color can be seen in edit mode,